Are you looking for the best baby swings? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best baby swings on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 4Moms MamaRoo Multi-Motion Baby Swing. When I tested the MamaRoo, I was impressed by how smooth, and almost parent-inspired, the rocking motions were. You can control the motions through the 4Moms app, which I found easy to use, or on the body of the swing. It's nice to have the app option, but it's sometimes just going to be easier to press a button on the swing itself than get your phone out and open an app. The MamaRoo has a simple mobile featuring 3 hanging balls that are black and white on one side and colored on the other. Birth and postpartum doula Shirafai of A Birth Connection likes how they're suited to both newborns, who only see in black, white, and shades of gray, and older babies. I really pulled at the mobile to see if it would move. It didn't break or pop off its hinge. The toy balls inside the frame of the mobile pull out easily, but this is part of the design. The balls are safe for babies to play with and machine washable. It also means the balls take just seconds to reverse from the black and white side to the colored side. The MamaRoo is also incredibly easy to clean. When I spilled some milk on it, it wiped off easily with a damp cloth. If you want to get rid of a larger stain, the fabric only takes about 30 seconds to remove from/replace on the frame. You can also remove the fabric from the frame to machine wash it. Overall, this is a good pick for both newborns and older babies. I especially like that you can play your own music on the speakers via Bluetooth. 3 of the experts I spoke to, including Shirafai, agree I'm calling this the best pick overall. Number 2. Graco Simple Sway Swing. The MamaRoo is innovative for sure, but I wanted to include a swing at a realistic price for more parents, and that's the Simple Sway. Its gentle side-to-side swaying motion is generally soothing for infants. And there are 6 speeds and 2 vibration settings to customize the motion to suit your baby's preferences. The deep seat holds infants securely, and it has a head support for newborns that can be removed once a baby can support their own head. The hanging mobile has cute star toys and can play 10 classical tunes and 5 soothing sounds. I like that you have the option to plug it into an outlet or run it off 5D batteries, as some of our experts note that power cords can be restrictive. Motions and vibrations, swinging, vibration entertainment features, hanging mobile, sounds. Number 3. Best Foldable Baby Swing. This swing is a firm favorite of Baikovsky, who used it to help get through the early days with her son. She and her partner kept it in the dining room, where they could use it to calm their baby while they ate. Around 5 every night, our baby would cry and only wanted to be held and rocked, she explains. She appreciated being able to put him down and let the swing gently rock him back and forth to soothe him. The compact design and portability of the swing is a big draw. Baikovsky likes that its carry handle makes it easy to move between rooms, and that it folds to save space when you aren't using it. However, the portability comes at a price. It isn't particularly feature-rich. It has 2 hanging toys but no lights, sounds, or music. You switch between speeds with a fully adjustable dial, so there aren't a fixed number of speed settings. There's a low speed and a high speed, and you can adjust the dial to any point between slowest and fastest setting. This gives you more freedom to find a swing speed that's right for your baby. It's battery powered, requiring 4D batteries. Number 4. Best Rotating Baby Swing. I love how it has 6 speed options and that it can swing back and forth as well as side to side, says Klein. It also rotates 180 degrees, swings in 3 directions, and has vibration settings. Klein likes that the recline options mean it's suitable for newborns as well as older babies. The AAP recommends using the most reclined position for babies under 4 months to avoid slumping and a risk of suffocation. The mobile features 2 plush toys and lights that can be turned on and off. There's also a mirror on the underside for little ones to look at themselves in. Plus, it plays 16 melodies, 3 nature sounds, and white noise to help soothe infants, or connect it to your phone to play music of your choice. It runs off an AC adapter, but it also needs a single C battery if you want to use the vibration function. Motions and vibrations, swinging entertainment features, sounds, hanging mobile.